Get ready to discover the extraordinary health benefits of this golden gem and how it can transform your overall well-being. And guess what? We'll even reveal some tantalizing ways to include turmeric in your diet along the way. Did you know that turmeric has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible healing properties? Today, science has caught up with ancient wisdom, revealing a wealth of knowledge about this powerful spice. Cancer prevention and management. Let's begin our exploration with the intriguing connection between turmeric and cancer prevention. Extensive medical studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses remarkable anti-cancer properties. It can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce their self-destruction. That's right, turmeric is like a superhero, swooping in to protect your cells from the clutches of cancer. In fact, a study published in the prestigious journal Cancer Prevention Research found that curcumin can interfere with multiple steps in the development, growth, and spread of various types of cancer cells. From breast and prostate to lung cancer, turmeric has shown promise in reducing the risk and progression of these deadly diseases. Diabetes prevention and blood sugar regulation. Now, let's dive into how turmeric can help keep your blood sugar in check. Curcumin has been found to enhance insulin sensitivity, improve glucose metabolism, and reduce insulin resistance. These powerful actions can significantly lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and help manage the condition for those already affected. Did you know that turmeric can also support healthy weight management? It can help prevent excess weight gain, reduce inflammation associated with obesity, and improve metabolic function. Talk about a spice that packs a punch. Cholesterol regulation and heart health. Turmeric doesn't stop there. It's time to focus on the vital role it plays in maintaining a healthy heart. Curcumin has been shown to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. This powerful combination helps reduce the risk of heart disease and keeps your ticker happy. In a groundbreaking study published in the journal Atherosclerosis, researchers found that curcumin can prevent the accumulation of plaque in arteries, promoting optimal blood flow and preventing dangerous blockages. It's like turmeric becomes your heart's trusty guardian, safeguarding it against the perils of cardiovascular disease. Brain health and Alzheimer's prevention. Prepare to be amazed as we turn our attention to the incredible benefits of turmeric for your brain. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties have shown great promise in protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors linked to neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Did you know that countries where turmeric is a dietary staple have lower rates of Alzheimer's? It's a fascinating correlation that has ignited the curiosity of scientists worldwide. They have discovered that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to directly interact with amyloid plaques, the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Joint health and arthritis relief. Let's shift our focus to a topic close to the hearts and joints of many, arthritis. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory properties have been found to reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, providing much-needed relief to those grappling with arthritis. In a remarkable study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers compared the effectiveness of curcumin to common anti-inflammatory drugs and found it to be equally effective in reducing arthritis symptoms. The best part, turmeric doesn't come with the potential side effects often associated with pharmaceuticals. Incorporating turmeric into your diet. Now that we've unraveled the remarkable benefits of turmeric, let's explore some creative and delicious ways to include this golden wonder in your daily meals. Here are 2 tantalizing recipes to get you started. Please feel free to pause the video for the recipes. Golden turmeric milk. Heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat until warm. Add the turmeric, cinnamon, and honey if desired, stirring well to combine. Simmer gently for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Just before serving, sprinkle a pinch of black pepper and give it a final stir. Pour into your favorite mug. Sit back and savor the golden goodness. Turmeric spiced roasted vegetables. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Chop the vegetables into bite-sized pieces and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle the olive oil over the vegetables and sprinkle with turmeric, salt, and pepper. Toss well to ensure all the vegetables are coated evenly. Roast in the preheated oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes or until tender and golden. Serve as a colorful and nutritious side dish, or add them to salads or grain bowls for a vibrant twist. A word of caution: if you are taking turmeric supplements or considering significant dietary changes, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on any medications that may interact with turmeric. Embrace the golden superhero of health, turmeric. Spice up your life, improve your well-being, and unleash the power of nature's golden treasure in your kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure. If you found this valuable, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow health enthusiasts. Subscribe for more enlightening insights on holistic wellness. Until next time, stay healthy, stay golden.